dear Guru Sri Kala Bharat, who has choreographed and taught all of our amazing dancers here today. And once again to our fantastic orchestra, Toronto B. Gaurashankar, Anandi Narayanan, Janani Sethi Narayanan, Lalit Subramanian, Laya Raghav, and Deekshita Balaji. Thank you for the divine music that has filled our souls with joy today. Please, I would also like to add a huge thank you to our amazing volunteers. Thank you, Deepa, Shankar, Padma, Nagu, Anandi, Maya, Lakshmanan, Raghav, Vishal, Raja Uncle, and Jayanti. Thank you all, and all of our countless supporters today to bring this to life. And I'd also once again like to thank the Michigan Dance Gurus for supporting us. Guru Sudha Shekhar, Rupa Shyam Sundara, Aishwarya Arun, Lalita Ravi, Vandana Krishnasamy, and Smita Vikram. And let's have a big round of applause. Today's dancers, please give it up for Shreya Aravind, Fasya Wallace, Divya Krishna, Sangeeta Sundaram, Aradha Vikram, Isha Jiju, Anisha Ramachandra, Ashwati Subbaya, Bhuvana Murthy, Kavya Keshavamurthy, Megha Suresh, Sugamti Vijay, Aparna Iyer, Jyotika Goru, Shruti Srinidhi, Sushila Srinivasan, Smita Vikram, Samyukta Vijayakumar, Lavanya Manikam, and our two fabulous dance mentors, Chitra Lakshmanan and Janani Sethi. Thank you all so much. We have an awards facilitation today, so I would like to turn it over to Sri Ram to take us through the awards journey for the Black Committee. Dancers, please take a seat in the audience as we go through the facilitation. Thank you.